Hello everyone, welcome to Buffet channel. Today we talk about 5 tips that you can achieve success depending on what you want to achieve and on which path. So what is success? Success is when you achieve your individual goals. Let's start with 5 tips to achieve success. First tip, go the extra mile. The bigger your goals are, the more time and energy you have to invest in achieving them. Second tip, lifelong learning. Learning is a lifelong process because there will never be a moment when one knows and can do everything personally or professionally. For your own success, it is important that you are open to input and feedback, as well as evaluating information and making it useful to you. Third tip, focus your challenge. To be successful, you must not shy away from your individual challenges. You may face unpleasant, arduous, or seemingly unsolvable situations that make you doubt not only your goal but also yourself. Tip 4, prioritize. While you are mastering your challenges, investing extra time and energy, continuously learning and developing, you should not forget your own physical and mental health. Being successful also means giving yourself intentional breaks and recharging your own battery. Tip 5, get out of your comfort zone. Successful people are courageous and willing to grow beyond themselves. This means stepping out of the familiar, the safe, and the controllable, and thereby consciously leaving the comfort zone. The most important and probably most difficult thing is to overcome the fear zone, then to proceed through the learning zone, and finally to profit from your personal development in the growth zone with the new skills and abilities.